everybody, welcome to the channel Travel with Meg. You guys always ask me about visa rejection, why your visa get rejected and all these things. But do you know major reason for your visa get rejected is due to your incomplete document or wrong document, right? So document is very important part which most of the student miss out. They run off just applying and applying. Another time they don't have that much time, they don't know from where to get apostille, they don't know from where to get DOV. Okay, so what mistake we do, we go to consultancy, we pay 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakhs, and end of the time we have to do our documentation works. Take the help from those professional people who know this and who are doing this work for years, so that you will be 100% sure that the document is accurate and you get your documents on time as well. If you know all the process, you can do it by yourself also. You can refer to my videos. I have made the details video on each of the documents. You can check my document series and you can watch the apostille, DOV and all those documents. But still, if you don't have time, if you're too much confused about this, just go to this agency, professional agencies. I will suggest you to go to Lingual Translators Private Limited. Why? Because they are doing this work since 2005 and they are professional people. They will let you know when they will give you your documents. It will be totally safe for you to handle them, your document. They are registered with Government of India. They have ISO certification. What do we want, right? We want these things only. Someone we can trust, right? They will do your work at a minimum charge. You won't find any agencies in India doing at this minimum charge. Okay, so just go through all these 3 packages they're providing, and whatever package you will use, you will get a discount. If you use my coupon code, you will find the coupon codes in the descriptions. So guys, I'll just quickly walk you through all the 3 different packages that they are providing. So the first one is the individual requirements. I mean, if you don't want them to do all the A to Z documents, you can pick any like HRD, you can do apostille or translation. Then is the documents package, in which you will get all the documents done by them, A to Z. I mean the scholarships document as well, also the visa assistance you will get, and also the codice fiscale. Okay, that is the Italian tax code. Now, in this, please see that there is also full assistance in finding accommodation in Italy, which I don't think so any consultancy will provide you that. Now the last one is like, it's so good because it has everything right from searching university, right university for you, because usually consultancy just pick any random university which they find it very easily on internet. So it needs some expert who know the universities very well and who will see your interest field and will search only those universities for you, and then they will ask from you which university you're interested to be enrolled in. I mean, it will be totally one-to-one basis. It's not like that consultancy is doing everything by their own and you don't have any idea. They're not sharing you any email IDs or any email, so it won't be like that. Everything will be so much transparent and clear. Then in this, there will be also the visa assistance services, and again the full assistance in finding accommodation, and the counseling and guiding session, in which you will come to know, like for example, what about the jobs in Italy, how is the university, then how you can survive in Italy, how much cost, how much will the living expenses, all these sessions will be there. Then at last, it will be also the Italian document assistance. Yes, I mean, once you will come here, you need your bank account, you need to make codice fiscale, Italian tax code, you need to make your Italian resident card. Okay, you need to make your Italian insurance, your carta identità. So there are so many documents that you have to again prepare here once you come to Italy. So you'll be you will be getting all these services from this package. Okay, how much will be the cost? I mean, it will be the minimum. For damn sure that this is the lowest cost services that you can get in India. So I will suggest you to directly contact them. There is also WhatsApp number. I will just provide in the description everything, and don't forget to use my coupon code to get an additional discount. Okay, so yes guys, thank you so much. And even though you're applying for 2023, even though you're applying for 2022 intake, you can start taking help from them right now. So guys, once again, thank you so much for watching Travel with me till the time. Bye bye and ciao ciao.